if I put on my pure scientist hat as opposed to my American scientist hat, pure scientist hat, I say if we don't build the lab, somebody else will, and the science will get discovered. If we don't explore the moon, somebody else will. It will get discovered. That's one of the hallmarks of science that distinguishes it from art. In science, if you don't do it, somebody else will. Whereas in art, if Beethoven didn't compose the Ninth Symphony, no one else before or after is going to compose the Ninth Symphony that he composed. No one else is going to paint Starry Night by Van Gogh. So science, when done properly, is never owned by one nation or another. So that's what happened with particle physics in America. We were building the largest super collider there ever was, the superconducting super collider, to be based in Texas. 200-mile circumference ring. We would accelerate particles, smash them, and explore the conditions that were common in the early universe. That budget got canceled by Congress as we were winding down out of the Cold War. So no longer was the physicist the darling of the sciences the way they were after the Second World War going into the Cold War, because it was the innovations of physicists that created the bomb in the Manhattan Project. Physics basically ended the war. So without a war, certainly without a Cold War, there's a question as to what the value of the super collider was to the nation. Now, I don't know how many people you'd get to admit that fact, but my read of history is that when nations spend huge amounts of money on things, it's hardly ever for the pure value of exploration. There's usually secondary motives, primary motives that are presented secondarily, like military, like economics, or some other sort of factor that matters to national security. So what happened? Europe took up the task. So at CERN, which is the acronym for the super collider, the European Consortium Super Collider in Switzerland, they now have the most powerful collider in the world. And they're the ones who are going to be probing the conditions near the Big Bang, not us. So my pure scientist hat is, I don't care who does it as long as it's done, as long as somebody does it. The American scientist in me, because I'm born and raised in America and I care deeply for this nation, is I kind of prefer that we did it, because I know we can. If we weren't wealthy, or if we had I'd say, now's not the time. Let some other wealthier, more powerful nation do it than us. But is it time for me to say that? Are we really that poor? Are we really that without means? We have a $3 trillion budget to spend. It's about the balance of that portfolio of spending that makes a nation. How much do you spend on art, healthcare, poverty, research and development, the veterans, military? You lay out the portfolio. That is the country that you live in. And $3 trillion is enough to buy, as far as I'm concerned, anything we want, anything we choose to. And so I wish it were here, because if we make it here, the opportunities arise here. The engineering opportunities, the engineering solutions to problems we'd never seen before, that then create a climate and a landscape of innovation that I remember growing up. America had like the longest bridge, the longest tunnel, the fastest planes. And for a while there, I thought, well, that's just bragging rights. What are you doing? And then I realized in order to create the extremes of these technologies, you have to innovate. You can't just step there. It's hardly ever just make it a little longer. It's longer, so it's more stress on the structure. So we have to invent something new to accommodate this need or this desire. And therein are the seeds of innovation.